The word we'll be learning in this video is sosa, which you will often hear in discussions about technology and machinery. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, I need to operate the machine. Can you show me how to use this software? And operation was successful in Japanese. Let's get started. Sosa. Sosa. The word sosa means operation or manipulation, often referring to handling machines or systems. The first kanji means to control or manipulate something as if operating it from the outside. You see this sense in soju, where the idea is steering or controlling a vehicle, and in ayatsuru, where it means to handle or manipulate a person or object. The second kanji means to make or create, to bring something into existence. That shows up in tsukuru, for making things, and in sakuhin, where it marks a created work or product. I operate the computer. コンピュータを操作する。コンピュータを操作する。He made an error in operation. 彼は操作ミスをしました。彼は操作ミスをしました。The operating method of this machine is simple. この機械の操作方法は簡単です。この機械の操作方法は簡単です。I will use the control panel. 操作パネルを使います。操作パネルを使います。The most common synonyms of the sosa are 運転 and ゴシ。運転 refers to driving or operating something, especially vehicles, while goshi means to exercise or utilize, often in a broader legal or formal context. Although they are similar, unten is more specific to handling machinery, whereas goshi can be used in various situations that involve using rights or powers. The most common antonyms of the sosa are teishi and mushi. Teishi means to stop or halt, indicating a lack of operation, while mushi means to ignore, suggesting a disregard for the operation or process. While sosa involves active manipulation, its antonyms signify the absence or disregard of such actions.